Yo, what's up everyone? It's year, and AI is officially changing the game, even for video editing. Whether you're a seasoned pro working on a feature film or just someone who wants to make their TikToks pop, having the right tools for the job is key. I've been diving deep into the latest and greatest AI-powered video editing software, and trust me, some of these features are straight out of the future. So, if you're looking to step up your video editing game, you're in the right place. We're about to break down the top 5 AI video editing tools out there right now. We're talking about everything from intuitive, user-friendly apps, perfect for beginners all the way to professional-grade software, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. We'll hit the pros and cons of each one so you know exactly which one is the best fit for your workflow and your budget. Let's get right into it. First up, we gotta start with the OG, Adobe Premiere Pro. As someone who's been using Premiere for years, I'm always impressed by how Adobe adapts and integrates new tech. And this year is no different. Premiere Pro is already the industry standard for professional video editing, but now they've really stepped up their AI game. Think AI-powered text-based editing. This isn't just basic transcription anymore, we're talking full-on editing just by typing out commands. Need to cut to the next shot when a specific word is said? Done. Want to adjust the pacing of your cuts based on the audio? Premiere Pro's AI can do it. And it's not just about convenience either. This tech is a game changer for accessibility, making pro-level editing tools more inclusive for everyone. Plus, the automatic audio categorization is a lifesaver for organizing complex projects, and the speech-to-text feature is insanely accurate, even with multiple speakers and background noise. Next up is CapCut. Now if you're all about creating content for TikTok, Instagram, Reels, Shorts, or really any short-form video, CapCut is definitely worth checking out. It's completely free to use and it's packed with features, especially AI-powered ones. We're talking about things like auto captions that are actually accurate, background removal that doesn't require a green screen, and some seriously smart cut tools that make editing on your phone shockingly intuitive. CapCut even lets you generate different video styles based on the audio so you can nail that trending aesthetic in seconds. CapCut is all about making video editing accessible, fast, and fun. It's perfect for anyone who wants to create engaging content without needing years of editing experience. It's no wonder it's blowing up on social media. Now, maybe you're ready to take your editing a bit further than what CapCut offers, but you're not quite at the Premiere Pro level yet. That's where Wondershare Filmora comes in. It's a super solid, affordable editor that's been around for a while. And just like the others on this list, they've really upped their AI game recently. We're talking about features like AI-powered Auto Cut, which analyzes your footage and finds the most compelling parts, saving you a ton of time in the editing process. Plus, they've got this really cool voice cloning feature. Imagine being able to create a voiceover in your own voice, without actually having to record anything. On top of that, Filmora now offers dynamic captions that automatically adapt to the style and mood of your video. So yeah, Filmora is definitely worth checking out if you want a good balance of power and affordability in your AI editing software. Alright, let's talk about Runway. This one is for the creators out there who really want to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI video editing. Runway is more than just your typical editing software. It's a whole platform for AI-powered video creation. I'm talking about crazy stuff like text-to-video generation, where you can literally type in a description of what you want to see, and Runway's AI will generate footage for you. They've also got insanely powerful background removal tools, motion tracking, and a bunch of other AI-powered effects that can really take your videos to the next level. Runway is definitely more geared towards experienced creators and those who aren't afraid to experiment. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to explore the cutting edge of AI video editing. Last but not least, we have Recast Studio. Now this one is a little different. It's not your typical video editor, but it's an incredibly powerful tool for anyone creating content for multiple platforms, especially if you're a marketer, podcaster, or content creator working with longer-form videos. Recast Studio uses AI to help you repurpose your content. Imagine you record a podcast episode or a long YouTube video. Instead of spending hours editing that down into shorter clips for social media, Recast Studio will do it for you automatically. It identifies the key moments, creates captions, and lets you easily edit and export shareable clips that are optimized for each platform. So yeah, Recast Studio is a game changer for anyone who wants to maximize their content's reach without spending hours on tedious editing tasks. So there you have it, the top 5 AI video editing tools of 2025. From AI-powered text-based editing to automatic content repurposing, these tools are changing the game for creators of all levels. It's amazing to see how AI is making video editing more powerful, accessible, and even fun. Honestly, I'm excited to see what these developers come up with next. The future of video editing is looking pretty incredible. Which one of these tools are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're there, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to Tech Vesta for more tech reviews, tips, and insights.